Flat tires are the worst. But don't give up yet. I'm Will with R&R Tire Express, and I'm going to teach you how to change your tire and get you back on the road in no time. What you'll need is a fully inflated spare tire, a jack, lug wrench, and vehicle owner's manual. If you notice yourself getting a flat while driving, turn your hazard lights on, pull over to the side of the road to a safe, level area, and then stop and apply the parking brake. If you have wheel wedges, go ahead and apply them to keep the vehicle from rolling. If you're changing a rear tire, place the wedges in front of the vehicle. And if the flat tire is at the front, place the wedges at the rear of the vehicle. If you have a hubcap or wheel cover, go ahead and remove it. Then loosen the lug nuts and place the jack under the vehicle. It's very important to place the jack on the vehicle's frame alongside the tire that's flat. That's so you don't damage anything under your car or risk the jack slipping off before you're done. Now, raise the vehicle with the jack until the flat tire is several inches off the ground. Then, unscrew the lug nuts and remove the flat tire. Place the spare tire on the hub by lining up the rim with the lug bolts, and push until the lug bolts show all the way through the rim. Use your hand to tighten the lug nuts and then use the jack to lower the vehicle all the way to the ground. Then, tighten each lug nut again, but this time using the lug wrench. Once you feel everything is properly secured and tightened all the way, replace the hubcap or wheel cover. You're almost done. Be sure to check your tire pressure in your spare to ensure it's properly inflated. And then take your flat tire to the nearest R&R Tire Express and we'll fix it for free if it's repairable. Final tip. Some other items you should keep in your vehicle in case of an emergency are a flashlight with working batteries, gloves, rain poncho, wheel wedges, and of course make sure you have a working jack and spare tire. To find a location near you, go to rnrtires.com/locations. Thank you for watching. We hope this was helpful and we look forward to serving you soon.